I hope I remember to get all the images, because if not, it's just gonna look like the picture. And no pictures will show, and that would not be great. So hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today I thought I would take a little inspiration in one of the best TV shows that there is right now in television. That was redundant. Basically I am taking a little inspiration on Euphoria. If you have not seen that show, then what are you doing with your life? It is a new HBO show with Zendaya. So good. So absolutely good. It is I think it's groundbreaking. Like that's how I would put it. And one of the nicest things about this show, one that I enjoy a lot, of course, is the fact that not every, but a lot of characters, they are really into their makeups. And well, I enjoy a show that just normalizes glitter and other things, but basically like whoever is working as a makeup artist in that show, they deserve everything, like every single prize for makeup. They deserve it. It's so good. So go and watch it. So basically one of the characters in the show, Maddi, she has stunning makeup. Honestly, I love her makeup style. She's always glittered and rhinestone and a lot of things. So she has beautiful makeup. Cue some pictures here. But basically that's kind of how I wanted this look to go. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I'm basically centering myself around this look right here. But yeah, basically that's kind of what I'm going for. Of course she has some like tealy makeup. Like, I don't want that. I'm not like that. I don't like teal. Well, I love teal, but I just don't like it on my eyes, okay? So I'm gonna use another color. But basically, like, this is kind of the general idea of what I'm trying to do. This is not an exact copy of that makeup. It's gonna be more of an interpretation of it. Hope that one's clear. But anyways, if you want to see how I turn myself into Maddi, no, that's not the video. How I do some Maddi inspired makeups, then just keep watching. I don't know what this was. I'm sorry. Okay, so if you don't know what this is, then you have not been watching my channel for long enough. I mean, yeah, but I'm just kidding. Not calling you out. Basically, I just put a little bit of tape under my eyes because that eyeliner, I cannot do that eyeliner by hand alone. I'm not that skilled. I'm not that into eyeliner. So yeah, just put a little bit of tape to help me out. So first I'm gonna go into my Taking Me Back to Brazil palette, basically because I don't have the color I actually want. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, that's kind of purpley shade, and put that all over my crease. I would like it to be a little bit more lilac. It's pretty lilac, but it's not lilac-y enough. You know what I mean. But anyways, I'm gonna take this and put that one on my crease. And actually, this is the color that I wanted. I don't know why I was so mean to it at first. It didn't look this... As if. God, I'm so sorry for the noises. But anyway, actually, it blended out okay. I wasn't expecting it to blend like this. For those of you who have not dabbled in... I'm okay. For everyone that has not dabbled in colorful makeup, normally like blues and purples, they're not the easiest to blend out. Apparently lilacs are, which is the good news for me. That's the color I'm using right now. And this one, it's not like a complete matte, it has kind of a sheen to it, but I'm okay with that. I like it. You know, we're here to do a lot of glitter, a lot of sheen, so it's part of it all. Now for my actual lid, I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette. And I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is the shade Faso, which is one of my favorite shades. Like honestly, I'm just gonna swatch it for you because it is so good that it needs to be swatched. It's begging for a swatch. I'm very bad at swatches, but basically, you see how beautiful this is. I'm gonna do it with my iPhone. Like, oh my god, it is how do you call this? Iridescent? Duochrome? I don't know. You could go in with a flat brush as well, maybe a damp flat brush, but nothing is gonna beat your finger. So given that this is not like a cut crease or something like that that needs to be a little bit more polished, if you will, I would just go in with my finger. Well, that's what I'm gonna do. I would recommend you do that the same. And I'm just placing that all over my lid. If you have not seen Euphoria, like this is how Maddi goes to school. Just sits there, does this type of a makeup, and goes to school. I love it. I need to start doing this in my regular life. That's what I'm gonna take of this video. Just start doing my makeup like this. Just like this. I'm going out like this. That's okay. This is the tutorial. Everyday makeup look like me. This is it. But no, I am gonna go with Maddi's signature winged eyeliner. Wish me luck. Honestly, not very good at it. And I'm gonna do like the wing using my Maybelline Master Precise liquid eyeliner. And honestly, like when I say wish me luck, I mean it. I honestly need to just start doing this as my everyday makeup. I have decided it. I have made this decision, and I'm not going back. And you know, that's how you cheat at eyeliner. That's what this video was all about. How to cheat at eyeliner. I love it. Okay, now for the base, she doesn't have like a very like full like all your face. Like okay, yeah, it's a lot of makeup, but it's very natural. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you're following me, but basically, I'm just gonna use this. This is my L'Oreal Glam Nude CC Cream. Basically, just this is very good if you have rosacea. Honestly, if you have like redness all over your skin, just like mine, this is gonna even it out so much, and it's not like full coverage. Because sometimes what will happen with non-full coverage foundation is it's gonna show underneath that you have not an even skin tone, and this kind of like gives you that non-full coverage feeling without showing all like different skin tones. Different skin tones in your face, basically. And again, I just apply this with my fingers. It is very liquidy, so that's how I like to apply it. Okay, I'm now gonna put on some Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And just a little bit like under my eyes to give it a bit more coverage. Okay, I'm now gonna powder using the combination of my Fit Me powders. Basically, where I want to highlight, I just use the 125 shade, and then I use the 130 for the rest of my face. I also like to tap the powder in because I feel like that way I'm not taking away from what's underneath. Sometimes like if you would swirl it around, it will just like take away from what's underneath, and I don't want that. I spend too much time doing this. I will now go in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This is the light to medium, and I'm gonna use this shade right here to contour. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my butter bronzer and just bronze everything up. That's one thing that I really like about that particular makeup. You can see that she's very contoured, very bronzed up. She has a lot of blush. It is so subtle, it's so well done that you wouldn't notice she has it on. And that's a great makeup. And of course, I'm blushing with my Milani. This is Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso, which is the best blush. I know it's the only blush I own. It's the blush I use in every video. It's the only blush I've ever used my entire life. I love it, and it's so good. And I kind of like to start on the apples of my cheeks. Again, I'm really tapping everything out. And then just kind of like go along with my contour. Also, this has a sheen to it, which is super nice, and it's gonna blend super well when I highlight. So it makes like a nice transition between the contour and the highlight, basically. And for highlight, of course, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills the Sugar Glow Kit. And the shade I am using today is the shade Starburst. It has a very... No, actually, it's Gumdrop. This is the one with a very pinkish undertone. I love it. It is very gauzy. I'm actually going to use these two shades. I'm going to mix them. I cannot decide which shade to use. I don't know if you got that. Highlight. I actually really like this face, but now I know what you're thinking. You're saying, Marlene, in a picture you referenced, you showed us that Maddi had a lot of like bling on her crease. I know I showed you that, and that's what I'm gonna do next. Now I have this little like, it's a multicolor. I'm trying to just use the the silver ones in here. And I'm gonna put those on my crease. Now this is a job, so it's gonna take a while. And I'm gonna do some of them on camera, but most of them I'm just gonna do off camera because it's gonna take a while. Okay, I figured how to do this at a rate that is not impossible. So basically, I just take a little bit of the glass glue on a very like tiny brush, okay? Then I create with glass glue the line I want, like where I kind of want them to go. And again, this is clear lash glue. I would recommend it to do this with clear lash glue. Okay, with this little stick, I will fish out one of the tiny thingies and just place it where I want it to go. But basically, that's the best way that I figured out how to do it. So I would recommend you do this, because if not, I spend I think 3 minutes doing one single glitter, and then I just spend another 5 on the rest. That's how I would recommend doing it. I just wanted to give you the update. I am done, and that only took me a lifetime, which is great. You know, this is not an everyday makeup look. Basically, just because it took me so long. Okay, I am actually gonna do my brows and my lashes off camera. Okay, I can't believe we were actually here. I've been filming for over an hour. Like, that's how much I've been just sitting here in my room trying to get this look together. A look that I'm not even going out. I'm just like, it's like 12:30 in the afternoon. I just spent an entire hour doing my makeup for staying at home. That's the YouTuber life, everyone. So we're going to the final part, which is the lips. As you can see, it's a very nude lip, which I appreciate with everything that's going on. But I'm gonna do a kind of pinky nude. I'm gonna do a little bit of lip contouring, basically because she has such nice full lips that I wanted to have nice full lips as well. So for that, I'm using my Huda Beauty lip contour in shade Trophy Wife, and then I'm gonna use this color from ColourPop, which I should very, like, look up. How is it called? Is it? I have no idea. The sticker doesn't exist anymore, so I have no idea what it's called. Basically, if you want full lips that don't look like clown lips, what you gotta do is kind of like look at your lips and like just where your lips end and the skin begins, you're gonna see like a little muscle line. That's where you wanna paint your lips with the lip pencil. That way it looks like it's part of your lips and it doesn't look weird and clowny, basically. So you just, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this like line here. Well, that's where you want to, like, that's where you want to go. I don't know why I did this. I could have not done this, but just my, I don't know, it slipped. And then I am going to go with the ColourPop one. Okay, so this is a look. It is a lot. I know that. That's kind of like what the look was always all about. Again, if you have not watched Euphoria, go do it. It is so good, like such a good show. And I'm not only talking about the makeup, I'm talking about the whole entire show. It is a good show. And of course, you know, added bonus of this type of makeup, which you don't see in television. You don't see it anywhere. I love it. I feel like Euphoria could like hire me to do Maddi's makeup. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!